What's going on, guys? It's day 3 in Houston, and we are driving to, I think, Alex's house, right? Yeah, we're going to Alex's house, watching some Formula 1 on the way. But yeah, it's like I think a 50-minute drive, guys, so I'll let you know if anything eventful happens.
To take that
Look, guys,
fastest lap.
Leclerc's in first.
Towards the main straight.
Carlos Sainz in second, and Lando Norris in third. We got a Ferrari 1-2.
The US Grand Prix. What a performance from the Scuderia, who for the first time since 2006 take a 1-2 finish at the US Grand Prix. Carlos Sainz comes home for second place, and all eyes now.
My God! Bro's literally shooting an AK-47 right now, dog.
Go to the... Ooh, wanna be him?
Yeah, he ain't even got a ZL1, bro.
There goes.
We made it.
Do I look pretty with your car?
Yeah.
Do I look prettier than your car?
Yes, of course.
Liar.
I used to believe all that they were smoking back on that. He didn't
Emergency video.
Damn, those downshifts are money.
Travis gonna miss it. Oh my gosh. Woo! Okay. Everything in the back went to the other side.
Just like this?
Whatever. I don't know how y'all want to center it right now.
I don't either.
The sun looks pretty good.
Say
right
hi
now.
to the vlog.
Maybe if you want to like use that corner.
Okay.
Maybe.
Yeah. Alex is driving Tyler's car. That Tanzanite though. These are his new wheels. Damn.
Maybe it's just me.
What the hell?
It's the factory mount and everything.
That's cool.
It
It
sounds
sounds
really
really
good.
too.
It does. I heard it as you were going down.
Yeah. We can hear it in the woods or not?
A little.
It's not like E92. Look at that helicopter, bro. All blacked out. Yeah, single turbo CS, guys, huh?
We're probably gonna end up in a ditch.
No, don't say that.
Jesus, bro.
That's crazy, dog. That's insane.
What if it's a better area to turn around? Probably not.
Oh, this is a crazy spot.
Oh, this would be cool. Pretty cool spot for
Yeah. tired of that turbo whistle, bro.
Oh yeah, no, it's so good. One of my favorite part. Like, yeah, the power is cool, but it makes the car sound so much better.
Did you XHP tune your
I
trans?
did that stage 3 as well.
Okay.
You need to.
Yeah. I saw how fast your shifts are. My shifts are slow.
Honestly, I don't think I felt a big difference.
Really?
But I just know it's just like more clamping pressure.
Yeah.
The only downside I would say is like you don't have any torque. So like this is like second gear at like 20. Like I got my 4 right now.
Oh yeah.
And then it starts slowing.
Yeah. No,
That's the only
crazy.
downside about the single turbo. It doesn't have that instant torque.
But I mean, that anticipation's what it is, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, no, it's pretty fun once you like build up to it.
Yeah. God damn. That's nuts. How many pounds you pushing right now? Like
28.
okay. And that's your base map or?
No, I mean I just have one setting. I
Gotcha.
gotta keep it at. But 28 on E40, doing a 5.8, 60 to 130.
Are you gonna get like race maps and stuff?
This is pretty much like kind of maxed out on my stock fuel
Gotcha.
system right now.
Okay.
So.
Yeah, no, that's nuts, bro. This is crazy. I don't know what I would do if I had this much power.
Is that me? Oh. Yes, those were you.
Alright, let's see, guys. My launch control's been broken, so we're gonna see if Alex can do it.
Alright.
Oh, it's got to be in. It did not do it.
That's handbrake up though. Oh, there you go. So you clicked it, right? Yeah. Here, do it again. Damn, that sounds sick.
I'm gonna drive over here. I'm gonna see if
Okay.
how to change it. You can change it. How do you change it? How do you change it?
So while you're doing it, is that button there? No.
You go up?
Yeah, up or down. Yeah, so
No, that sounds crazy.
oh, really? Yeah. But you can go all the way down.
Heck yeah. So you just click it down pretty much.
Just mash it.
Alright, let me try it out.
Yeah, you have to be like ready to drive. No parking.
Oh, sick, okay. Damn, the United 2 sounds hella good. Oh, sheesh. You got traffic. Bro, you can hear the downshifts all the way over here, bro. Sheesh. Here he comes, here he comes. Alright guys, so all the boys are leaving. And I think we need to find what to eat for dinner. That's Travis's car. We got got Tyler right there. You always see Tyler and Alex in Austin in like 2 weeks. They're coming to Austin just to drive and stuff, so. Alex is back there. Where is he? I don't know if he... Guys, look. There's like a fire right there. I don't know if you guys can... You guys see this? It's literally... I'm trying to see what car it is. Oh my god, it's a Subaru. Bruh, it's literally a Subaru. That's crazy. Look guys, we are leaving Houston. I hope you guys enjoyed the Houston vlogs. I honestly had hella fun. Meeting up with the boys is always an event, so I'm glad we could do it. Dang guys, look. Bro, why does the sky look so crazy? Such vibes.
Turn the Chanel, she throw to her hang, got the bitch massage me. Turn my energy, no one candy. We do this for that, she need massage. She ready to get you, no one candy. I'm throwing up a dick, the mid massage. Cut this shit up like a shit, no one candy. 100 up the solo, I'm ready massage. The king, I'm the girl, you know one candy.